Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send money across the world. You can send money from any country to any country. Especially when you are in Africa, it's very difficult to send money to someone in Europe or in America. And also when you are in Asia, in countries like Vietnam, China, it's very difficult to send money to somebody in Africa. And today this video is for you if you are wondering of how you can send your money across the world. This is super easy, fast, reliable, and no fees at all. Within just few minutes, and the person is going to receive it. Sometimes you have to send the money through an agent, Western Union, blah, blah, blah. It's very long, and it's going to take like 3 days, sometimes a lot of charges. So remember, this video is for educational purpose. It is not an investment advice. It is just for educational purpose. So let's dive into it. First of all, you need an exchange app, and we are going to do this whole transaction through cryptocurrency. Okay, so don't worry if you don't know much about cryptocurrency. You can still send your money even if you have no idea about cryptocurrency. Okay, you don't need to know much about it. Now, if you're a beginner, what you need to know is you have to get an exchange application. Okay, an exchange application. That is a platform which is going to grant you the access to send crypto from one person to another person with the same platform. You understand? So we have so many applications, which we have Bybit, Binance, and I know you've heard of it, and we have OKX. We have different kinds of exchange applications, but the one I have been using for a very long time is Binance. That is what I use to do all kinds of transactions. You can also use Bybit, especially if you are in Nigeria, and if you are in Ghana, you can use the Binance application and the Bybit as well. OKX is also there, but Binance is one of the number one and very reliable and has been there for a very long time. So what you're going to do is you have to download the Binance application on your phone, and you can get it through Google Play Store or Apple Store, or you can even use your PC, which is the website of Binance. But right now, let's do it on the phone. Okay, so you download the application, then you make sure you get verified. Getting verification is by using your passport or your ID card or any form of, because Binance wants to verify whether you are truly legit or you are a human, and it is going to take just 24 hours for you to get approved on Binance. And when you get approved and you've successfully registered your account, you just open the Binance application. Okay, so when you open your Binance application, it just looks like this. Okay, and you are saying star because my balance has been hidden from you. Yes, so you open your Binance application and go straight to trade. You see down there, you see home, market, trade. Just click on trade. So when you click on trade, just look at the top there. You see convert, spot, margin, buy or sell, P2P, P2P. Now, P2P is what we are going to use on Binance to do this kind of transaction. Okay, P2P means peer to peer. It means peer to peer, my friend and to me. You understand? So what is happening on P2P right now is we are going to actually buy and sell cryptocurrency there. You understand? So you can literally use your local currency. Example, I am in Vietnam and I have Vietnamese dong. Okay, my local bank account is in Vietnam, but I want to send the money to somebody in Ghana in cedis. You understand? So what I'm going to do is I have to buy a cryptocurrency on the Binance platform. Then I'll send that particular cryptocurrency to the person through Binance, and the person will receive the cryptocurrency on the Binance app on his phone, and that person will be able to sell that cryptocurrency he got to his mobile money wallet or to his bank account. You understand? So it's super easy. Let's get started. So when you come to P2P like this, now I am in Vietnam, I'm going to send the money. So it means I click on buy, and clicking on buy, it means we are going to buy a crypto coin, but make sure that you change the currency to Vietnamese dong. Okay, because that is what we are going to use to purchase. So we've changed it to Vietnamese dong. And when you change it to Vietnamese dong, you see that there are a lot of sellers here. You understand? it means they are selling $1, one USDT. In cryptocurrency, it is USDT, not US dollars, USDT. So it means they are selling 1 USDT at 26,337. That is what this particular trader is selling at. Big Nose Team. And Hong 10-2A is selling it at 26,383. You understand? So there are a lot of traders over there which you can buy from. But let me give you a simple guide on when you want to buy. When you are buying it, make sure that you check. You see, they've written trades. Okay, it means that the first person on the list has executed about 11,655 trades, and 99% has been successful. And that same trader is having 95% likes. You understand? And is selling it, can sell a limit of 500,000 Vietnamese dong to 150 million Vietnamese dong. So it means that if you are doing a transaction where you are selling within that particular range, you can use this seller. So you check that. It's just like a market. You understand? We have so many vendors over there who are selling. You understand? So we are going to buy from them. You understand? So you look for the price that you want. But we have to enter the amount first. Okay. First of all, let's enter the amount that we want. You click on the amount so that it is going to filter the buyers that will sell within that particular range. For instance, we want to buy just 500,000 VND. That is what we are sending to someone in Ghana. We want to send 500,000 VND to somebody in cities. You understand? So we enter the amount there, which is 500,000, and these sellers can sell to us within that particular range. And this seller, which is Zio Dit Nyang, yes, is selling at 26,400 and has executed 5,913 trades. 100% has been successful. 99% likes. Very good. Bank transfer, Vietnam. So we have to buy from here. You understand? So remember, this video is for educational purpose. It is not an investment advice. It is just for educational purpose. So when you go there, you see you select bank transfer. So you make sure you add your bank account. When you click here, for me, I've already added my bank account. So I can select Bank Vietnam and I will just place order. So when I place, you click place order like this. Very good. So it means that when we click on place order, order has been created and we are supposed to send fiat amount. Fiat means the local currency, okay, cedis, Vietnamese dong, UK pounds and all that. Yes, so we have to send 500,000 fiat amount to this particular person, and the person is going to give us 18.88 USDT, not US dollars, USDT. You understand? So what we are going to do is, you see, you can click on chat and even chat with the person. The person is online. You understand? So we click on view payment details. When we click on view payment details, you see that the bank name is there, the account number is there, and we'll be able to select the account number or even QR code. Some of them provide QR codes. So we can open the QR code like this. You see, we save the QR code successfully. Then we go back to our bank account. Okay. Then we transfer that 500,000 Vietnamese dong to the person because he's a seller. So you have to send the money first. Then he is going to check, confirm, and approve it. So what we are doing right now is to send our money to the person. So we have transferred the money to the person. Very good. And we have saved a screenshot. Okay. We have saved a screenshot over here. Now you can see I've transferred the money to the person. Now let's go back to our Binance application. And this is very important that you have to pay attention. You see, order will be cancelled in 11 minutes. You understand? So it means that we still have 11 minutes to transfer the money, but we have already transferred the money. You understand? So we still have more time. Now when you are done, you have to do something here, or else you are not going to get your $18 because the person has received the money. And if the person has received the money and you don't notify him on Binance that you've sent the money. So if you don't notify him, then you allow the 11 minutes to get exhausted. It means that your money is gone. You understand? The Binance is not going to know whether you sent the money or not. You understand? So you see, transferred, notify seller. So let's notify seller that we've transferred the money. Expected to receive USDT in 1 minute. So we wait for the seller to release our USDT. So right now what we are doing is we are buying the USDT from this person. After we buy the USDT, then we send this USDT to somebody who is also on Binance in Ghana. You understand? And that person will be able to sell it to the mobile money account. So easy. Just follow me. You have marked the order as paid. Please wait for seller to confirm and release the asset. You understand? So we can decide to provide a picture, a screenshot, or we can decide to stop. So let's see. Boom. Now you can see we've gotten our 18 USDT. Now this is what you are going to send to the person who also has a Binance account in Ghana. You understand? So let's move on to send this person. Now let's assume that we've already sent the money to the person. For me, I have a mobile money account. You understand? So I'm going to send this 18 USDT directly to my mobile money account. You understand? So when you come to Binance again, go to trade, go to P2P. When you go to P2P, come to Ghana cedis. Okay. Select Ghana cedis. Right now, we are not going to buy USDT again. We are rather going to sell into our mobile money account. So we have the USDT. We are going to sell to somebody. So we come to sell. You understand? And right now, the rate there is 13.45 Ghana cedis per 1 USDT. As at the time I'm recording this video. You understand? So let's sell. So now, before you sell to somebody, check before you buy, before you sell, both. Just check that that person is verified. You see this person has, they all have some kind of tag around it, just like Twitter verification and Instagram verification and all that. You understand? So when you come here, you just click on sell. You understand? Just find somebody, find a vendor. They are also buyers. You understand? So find a vendor. This person is willing to buy it at 13.45, 13.4. You scroll many. You understand? Find the one who has a lot of transactions with 99% at least successful and at least 100%. So let's type the amount first. Amount we are trying to sell. You understand? So our amount we are trying to sell 18 times. Let's say we are trying to sell around 250 cedis. You understand? $18. Let's say around. Let's type 200 cedis. Okay. This is just going to filter. We can buy our crypto coin within that range. Okay, so mobile money. This one can buy within 45 minutes. Oh no. You see the time is there. You can see the time. Mobile money, 30 minutes. Mobile money, telecast, no. You understand? So let's keep on looking for somebody who can. Very good. Very good. So this person is online. 23 trades, 100%, 87 likes. No, it means that person may not be reliable. You understand? May not be reliable. Okay, very good. So let's send it to Kawawa Exchange. You understand? Let's send it to the person. The person wants to buy it at 13.38. Okay, so you can do this same thing when you have you are in UK, you want to send to Ghana. You are in UK, you want to send to America. The same process. Whether you are in Nigeria, you want to send it to Vietnam. Whether you are in Vietnam, you want to send it to US. Whether you are in US, you want to send it to Finland. Whether you are in Finland, you want to send it to Germany. Wherever, you just use the same process. Just that you have to make sure you buy with the local currency on Binance, the local currency that you want to send. Then the person will also sell it in the local currency he or she wants to receive the money. It's so simple. So let's use Kawawa Exchange. Sell. So if watched the video to this far, please do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, like, and let me know what you think. Okay, we have a lot of things to learn on this YouTube platform. Let's sell the 18. So you just click on, you see, you can select by cedis or by USDT, like just for the amount that you want to send. You said when you send USDT, you will receive 240 Ghana cedis. You understand? So we are going to receive 240 Ghana cedis in our Momo. And this is my Momo. I have already added my Momo account over there. You understand? So you can just place it. Okay. Then it will come directly to your Momo. Let's place the order. Very good. Very good. So we just wait for this person to send the money to us. You understand? And that person is going to take about 1 minute and 55 seconds. Now, be patient and take note of this. It's very important. Okay. So this is my Momo phone. Okay. I have to wait for the money to appear in my mobile money. Now, as you wait for the money, when the money comes into your mobile money, don't just receive the message and confirm. You understand? Because you have to confirm the balance. Check. Dial the *1 blah 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 hash. Just check. Make sure that you've received the money in the account before you confirm on Binance. Because if you don't check, then you just go and confirm on Binance that you've received the money and the person goes. It means you have sold the USDT to the person, but you haven't received it in your Momo. You understand? So it means we have to wait for the person to send the money to our Momo. You understand? So you see, literally no, like almost free. You understand? You see the fee, 0.05 USDT. Like seriously? Very good. So you see, so this is it. So the person has successfully sent the 240 Ghana cedis to our mobile money wallet. So after you have confirmed that you have received the money in the mobile money wallet, you come here and click on payment received. So you can see I have verified that the payment of 240 Ghana cedis has been received. So I have verified, confirm, release. So right now we are releasing the 18 USDT that we have to him because we are selling to him. Yes. So it will ask for some verification. So you just verify with whatever that you used. Okay. So this is it. Boom. So 240 cedis successfully sold, 17.95 USDT. You can give a review. Positive, fast, polite, patient. Then you leave your comment. That's it. So this is the end of the video, how you can literally send money from anywhere in the part of the world using Binance P2P cryptocurrency. So that is it. So we just sent money from Vietnam to Ghana, and you can do the same process by sending money from Ghana to Vietnam, Ghana to Europe, Ghana to America, America to Ghana, America to wherever you are in a part of the world with just few steps. Easy, no fees, no stress. Bye bye. See you.